In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a semicircle in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top menu, click on Design. In the bottom menu, click on the Shape option. In the pop-up menu, select a round or ellipse shape and place it on the canvas. Let's change the fill color so that you can see it more clearly. In the right side menu, click on Fill. Let's change the color to a darker shade. Now, if I hover the pointer over the shape, you can see a dot appear inside the shape. Click and drag the dot to the other side. It should create a half circle-like effect. In the middle of the half circle, you can see that another dot has appeared. Just like before, click and drag the middle dot down. Here you can see that we have successfully created a semicircle shape that looks like a U. You can duplicate the shape by pressing Alt on the keyboard and dragging it. Now you can edit the shape however you like. Following these steps, you can create a semicircle in Figma easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.